Welcome. Thank you so much for joining us today. Here we're going to be talking with Kait Sorensen. Kait is the Victim Services Director at Canyon Creek Services in Utah. We are so honored to be talking with you today. So glad that you are contributing to this hub. And so I'd love to start off with inviting you to introduce yourself, your organization, and then also to share with us what inspires you in this work and sustains you in this work.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for having me. This is a exciting conversation for us to be having, especially around advocacy, and I'm so excited to be a part of it. I am the Victim Services Director here at Canyon Creek, and our organization's been in existence for about 28 years, and I've been with the organization for almost 7. And it has been a wild ride. Nonprofits are so much fun and they keep you very intrigued. I started as a case manager, which in some organizations is akin to what we call our victim advocates. I went on to do shelter directing. I worked in prevention work and awareness work, and then finally made my way to program management and program directing, and it's my niche. So I have a variety of experience in this kind of a field. Cedar City is a small rural community, not the smallest, but it is quite small in southern Utah. We serve 3 very large counties, Iron Beaver and Garfield County. And so the farthest away our service area is about 2.5 hours from our location. And our agency serves everybody that lives within that radius. So you can imagine we're one center, we're based in one geographical location. So we do a lot of driving, and it can be difficult sometimes to be able to reach and provide services to those types of areas. So I think rural communities and programs are really great at getting creative to meet needs and solutions because it's necessary. And so I think a lot of what we have accomplished is really neat because we're a rural program. And that is something that really feeds me, is being able to say, we have an issue and we may not have as many resources or options as say like Salt Lake City or Denver or Las Vegas, which are the big metropolitan areas closest to us. But we have just as much passion to provide the same caliber or even better services to the individuals that we're working with. And so we're going to get creative and find a way to do that even when there's not money. We find ways to leverage private donors in our community, to partner with other organizations, and sometimes to kind of become like a one-stop shop for things that we don't have. So I think it gives us the benefit of having and learning a lot more skills that give us a really well-rounded approach, because it's necessary and it's exhausting to some people, but for me, it really energizes me to figure out those overarching connecting issues and finding solutions to address them.
Yes, there's something about so energizing, or that can be so energizing about needing or having the opportunity to learn about so many different kinds of pieces to help meet the needs in our community. It can be exhausting and energizing at the same time.
Absolutely.